Hi and welcome. My name is Csilla Fejes and I'm a product owner at SAP in the area of Product Lifecycle Management, or PLM for short. I'm here to give you a quick preview of the openSAP course SAP PLM in Process Industries. In this course, you will learn how PLM is used in research and development to support the new product development processes in process manufacturing industries such as food and beverage, personal care, pharmaceuticals, or chemicals. You will also see how PLM helps turn ideas into new, innovative products. You will learn about the basics, like how specification management looks like at SAP. And we will guide you through each step in the product development process to see how SAP PLM helps product developers in their daily tasks and how a new recipe is handed over to manufacturing. The course is primarily aimed at existing or future PLM users, solution consultants, sales and pre-sales, and business decision makers, but also at anyone involved in research and development in process industries. The course will be presented by a number of experienced colleagues working in the area of PLM and engineering at SAP. What topics can you expect in this course? In week 1, we will introduce the typical processes in research and development and the tools that support them in SAP PLM in the different industries. The second week will cover the idea and concept phase of product development. In week 3, you will learn about how product information, recipes, and related changes can be managed. And to finish up, week 4 will cover recipe calculations, compliance, and labeling, as well as the handover of changed or new recipes to manufacturing. During the course, we invite you to join our online discussion forum. Here you can discuss all your questions, comments, and ideas with other students, SAP experts, and the instructors. If you pass the course with the needed points, you will earn a course certificate called Record of Achievement and a digital badge that you can share across your social networks. Thank you for listening. I'm looking forward to meeting you on the course.